Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes and today we are selling this a Honda CBR650F. Really awesome bike, looks sporty as out, but they're actually really comfortable bikes, slightly high bars and slightly lower pegs for that more comfortable seating position. This one's a 2016 bike, but it's on a 66 plate and it's done 6,259 miles from new. As you can see, it is super clean. So over on this side again, that clean style, you can see it's really nice. It's also got a seat cowl on this bike and a tail tidy too. So they're a 4-cylinder bike of these ones. Let's give it a start up so you can have a listen. Really awesome sounding. So coming over the top, you can see there it's got the split twin displays. So one side has got your rev and speeds and the other side has got your fuel gauge and trip information, and it is also an ABS model. So what a cracking bike. If you do fancy it, as always, please do get in touch. Send us a message on Facebook, email, from the website, or just the easiest thing is give us a call. Cheers guys.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.